Hello, my spooky friends. Welcome. I hope you guys had a great Halloween. You got to enjoy costumes and the parties and trick-or-treating and everything that's associated with that. All the wonderful shopping, the decor. I love it all. And welcome to all the new people that subscribed. I really do appreciate you guys doing that. It makes me feel very good given everything that's going on right now. I had been forced to move into a video every other week. And this is an update to let you guys know why this week there will not be a video. We are getting into the situation where my Papa Bear had cancer and he has a tumor. It's almost over his heart. And the chemotherapy, what the amount they were able to give him didn't do much. This is an aggressive cancer. And so between the 5 or 7 days off, the transition from the weeks of chemo into now what will be 5 consecutive days, and it was prescribed for 5 weeks, and it's still a low dose. But my Papa Bear is 83 years old and he lives alone, and because of that, all my time is devoted to him. I didn't want you guys to just sit and wonder why there wasn't a new video. But do keep leaving your comments and your questions. I get to them, and I'm also a little bit more active up on Facebook and Instagram a little bit more because it's just a little bit easier to tap and go instead of do a full-on video like I'm doing right now and to edit and everything like that. So some of the things that are coming up, taking AI art, which I know is a big controversy, and trying to make that into an actual real life look. I have a couple of friends that do some great AI artwork over on Twitter, and one that inspires me the most, I'm going to show you, and you see me wear some of his t-shirts, so I'm going to try to recreate one of his looks. I also have some tips and tricks about eyeshadow, and those of you that just do not want to bother with it or it's always time consuming, I got some things like stickers that will take care of that cat eye winged look that you might be looking for. And also I have planned on my next look being the Bride of Frankenstein, since I already had Frankenstein, and my goal was before Halloween to get the Bride of Frankenstein because I know there are a lot of couples that like to dress up and go as a couple, even if it's, you know, from a movie or a fairy tale or something like that. I wasn't able to get that out, but I'm working on the wig itself because that's so iconic when it comes to the Bride of Frankenstein. But do know I've not given up. It might be several weeks before you see another video, but I'm going to try to put together some other shorter videos that might consolidate some of the different aspects and techniques from another long video, because I am getting the questions and I want to go over a little bit more to take care of some of those questions, because if you're asking them after watching a video, then someone else is going to be asking that question too. So I want you to always have the information that you need, an alternative way to save money, and the best way and what to purchase to save money if you don't want to make it at home. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you coming in and hanging out with me. And don't forget and let everyone know that at 2,000 subscriber counts, I am giving away a Funko. And he's over here. It's Art the Clown Bloody. I got several of those that I want to get out for each, I guess, goal I reach in the subscriber count. But hello to everyone. Welcome. If you're new, I appreciate you being here. And thank you to everyone that has been here with me since the first day. It really does make me feel good that you guys, you know, ask and check on me. We are doing okay. It's just very difficult, and I want to be there for my Papa Bear. I know you guys understand that as well. So I love you, and I will see you very soon. Bye.